Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to add and edit a color fill scheme for rooms using departments in Revit. You can use the color fill legend to place rooms and spaces after adding rooms. Color coding plans can help the client understand the relationship between public and private, work, and rest spaces. First, add a color fill legend. Step 1. Click in room on a floor plan. Add public, semi-private, or private on department from Properties palette. If you already added one of the three options, you can select from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Repeat Step 1 for all rooms. Step 3. Duplicate floor plans for only the color-filled plans by right-clicking a view. Select Duplicate View. Select Duplicate with Detailing. Rename the copied views. Step 4. Open the duplicated views. Click Color Fill Legend from Annotate tab, under Color Fill panel. Click on a floor plan, then choose Space Type and Color Scheme window will open. Confirm Space Type, Room, Color Scheme, Department. Click OK, then the color-filled legend and color will show. Step 5. Repeat this Step 4 for another plan. Step 6. To update color, click the legend. Click Edit Scheme. Define color. Click OK to finish color scheme. I hope this introduction tutorial clarifies how to add and edit a color fill scheme for rooms using departments in Revit. Thank you.